Welcome to our newly remodeled space here in the Senior Life Solutions Department here at Manning Regional Healthcare Center. I'm Janet Brus, the Program Director. Senior Life Solutions is a program designed for those folks that are generally age 65 and older that may be struggling with grief, depression, or anxiety, often related to aging. Our new designated entrance allows our clients to park right outside our door so they no longer need to navigate through the hospital to meet with us. When you walk into our new space, you will check in with Cathy.
Hi, I'm Cathy Dammann. I'm the Office of Patient Coordinator. Once I have you checked in, you can have a seat in our waiting area.
Our group therapy sessions are now held in our large conference room space. We also have designated office spaces that can be used for individual sessions. These typically take place with Amy Hall, our program therapist.
Hi, my name is Amy Hall. I'm the program therapist. I'm a licensed social worker. I provide group and individual therapy. Individual is more specific to the client's needs that are private information pieces that we work on together. Normally it's about 2 times a month. I also provide group therapy sessions 3 times a week where you get to engage with other group members and learn different topics such as perceptions, remembered blessings, seasonal depression, winning tips, things that help you to cope better with life's challenges, losses, and anything else that you have had occur that's unexpected. We also have a psychiatrist that the individuals see. That doesn't mean necessarily that they're taking medication. It just means that we have a higher professional who's reviewing their case and making sure that they have everything that they need to be successful. This is where the patients will meet the doctor either in person or online.
We want to thank the many donors who helped make this expansion possible. Your generosity is already positively impacting local seniors. To learn more about or schedule an appointment with Senior Life Solutions, call us at 712-655-8262.
Manning Regional Healthcare Center, your trusted experts close to home.